Hello everyone, my name is Surendra Kumar and I am doing MTech in Beltech University from Embedded System Technology. Today I am going to show the demo of my project. My project title is Development of USB Framework for FTDI Devices. Means we are converting serial data into USB so that those systems do not have serial port. We can use USB port as a serial port. Means I am converting serial data into USB. So this is the terminal and I opened in Linux operating system. My program is saved in documents in working directory. Working directory is a folder, so I am in that. Let's check how many files are there, what files are there. So I am typing ls command. It will list all the files which are available in that directory. Now my program is working.c. It's a simple name, we can give any name. I have given working.c. Let's see the program. This is my program, serialwrite.c. As I told you, name we can give any. First I am including adding header files. Then I am using signal handler because I am connecting a microcontroller board which will send the signal to the host, means our PC. And from PC also it is sending some signal to the target board. Then here you can see I am giving VID and PID. VID is vendor ID and PID is product ID. Both IDs are a particular device ID. I have connected LPC1343. These are the ID of those LPC device. This ID we can give easily giving lsusb command. It will list out how many USB devices are connected to the system. Then I am setting the baud rate. These are the APIs which I used in my program, like FTDI underscore set interface. It will interface any device. Here I have written interface any, means it will interface any USB device. If I am giving particular name of that device, then it will interface only with that device. This FTDI underscore USB underscore open, it will open the USB device which is connected to the system. Then FTDI set baud rate, it will set the baud rate. Baud rate we can give any baud rate. If suppose we are giving 115200, then in board side whatever program we are writing, we are developing a firmware for board, there also we have to define same baud rate. Means both side, target and host side, baud rate should be same. FTDI read data, it will perform read operation. Then FTDI underscore write underscore data, it will write data to the target board. So this is my whole program. I am coming out from this window. Now I am going to execute my program. First I have to compile the program, so for that I am giving gcc command Then I'm giving library path. Then enter. As we can see, the execution of program means compilation. Execution of program is successfully done. Now I have to compile my program to see the output. See here, right now I didn't connect any device to my system. As you can see, no device is connected. So here it is saying that device not found. Okay, so for that I have taken screenshots of my program. I will show you what will be the output. This is the output of ADC. When we compile that program working.c, this will be the ADC output, and this is the RTC output. You can see date and time it will display. Then this is the string output, means whatever we type on terminal it will send to the LCD of LPC. So 3 programs I tested on LPC and 3 programs are successfully tested. Thank you for watching video.